Today I'm going to show you how I was able to build a very simple table using just a few basic materials, but the final product looked pretty cool. The first thing I did was sand down the tabletop using a very coarse grit and then working my way up to a finer sandpaper. I made sure to clean up all the dust so it wouldn't get in my finish. For this project, I used Odie's oil, but you can use whatever finish that you prefer. The application for every finish is a little bit different, so make sure you read the instructions carefully. Next, I buffed off the Odie's oil, and you could see the finish really makes the grain pop. I purchased these prefabricated legs from my local supplier, and I arranged them in a way that I was happy with. And then I simply screwed them down to keep them in place. And that's how I was able to create this very simple table in just a few hours.